Is garlic truly a miracle cure, or is its reputation as a natural remedy just a myth? Can something as simple as garlic really protect against illness and enhance overall health? In today's video, we'll discuss the science behind garlic's health benefits and its potential as a natural remedy. Cold and flu relief. Garlic is a powerful natural remedy for cold and flu relief, renowned for its ability to fight off infections and boost the immune system. The sulfur compounds in garlic target the viruses and bacteria responsible for cold and flu symptoms, helping to reduce their severity and duration. Garlic also enhances the body's natural defenses, making it more resilient against infections. To use garlic for cold and flu, consume it raw or incorporate it into teas and soups. Regular intake, especially during flu season, can help prevent illness and support faster recovery. Wound healing. Garlic is an effective natural remedy for wound healing, offering both antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory benefits. The compounds in garlic help protect wounds from infection by inhibiting the growth of harmful bacteria and other pathogens. Additionally, garlic promotes tissue repair and reduces inflammation, which accelerates the healing process. Applying a garlic paste made by crushing fresh garlic and mixing it with honey directly to wounds can provide protective and healing effects. Cover the wound with a clean bandage after application and repeat the process regularly to support faster healing and reduce the risk of infection. Ear infection relief. Garlic is an excellent natural remedy for relieving ear infections, utilizing its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties to tackle the root cause and alleviate symptoms. The compounds in garlic target the bacteria or viruses causing the infection, while also reducing pain and swelling in the ear. Garlic-infused oil is particularly effective for this purpose. Warm the oil slightly and apply a few drops into the affected ear, allowing it to sit for a few minutes before draining. This simple yet effective treatment can help ease discomfort and promote quicker recovery from ear infections. Lowers blood pressure. Garlic is widely recognized for its ability to naturally lower blood pressure, making it a valuable remedy for managing hypertension. The active compounds in garlic help relax and dilate blood vessels, which improves circulation and reduces overall blood pressure levels. Additionally, garlic's mild diuretic properties aid in flushing excess sodium from the body, further contributing to blood pressure reduction. To harness these benefits, incorporate raw garlic into your daily diet, or consider taking garlic supplements. Regular consumption can help maintain healthier blood pressure levels and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Cough relief. Garlic provides effective relief for coughs thanks to its natural antimicrobial and expectorant properties. The active ingredients in garlic work to fight the infections that cause coughing, while also thinning mucus, making it easier to expel. This dual action helps to clear the respiratory system and reduce the frequency and intensity of coughs. For natural cough relief, create a syrup by mixing crushed garlic with honey and take it by the spoonful several times a day. This simple remedy can soothe the throat, alleviate coughing, and support overall respiratory health. Detoxification. Garlic is a powerful natural detoxifier, aiding the body in eliminating harmful toxins and supporting overall health. The sulfur compounds in garlic enhance liver function, stimulating the production of detoxifying enzymes that help cleanse the body. Additionally, garlic's antioxidant properties help neutralize free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and promoting cellular health. Incorporating raw garlic into your daily diet can boost the body's natural detoxification processes, improving vitality and well-being. Consuming garlic regularly, whether in salads, smoothies, or as a supplement, helps flush out toxins and supports the body's ability to maintain optimal health. Respiratory infection relief. Garlic is an effective remedy for respiratory infections, known for its strong antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. The active compounds in garlic combat the bacteria and viruses responsible for conditions like bronchitis, pneumonia, and sinusitis, while also reducing inflammation in the respiratory tract. Garlic helps to clear mucus from the lungs, making breathing easier and speeding up recovery. To use garlic for respiratory infections, consume it raw or add it to teas and soups. Regular intake can help alleviate symptoms, reduce the duration of the infection, and support overall respiratory health. Treats skin fungal infections. Garlic is a potent natural remedy for treating skin fungal infections such as athlete's foot and ringworm. Its strong antifungal properties inhibit the growth of fungi, effectively clearing up infections and preventing their spread. Garlic also reduces the inflammation and itching associated with these conditions, promoting faster healing and comfort. To treat skin fungal infections, crush fresh garlic and apply the juice or a garlic-infused oil directly to the affected area. Use this treatment regularly until the infection clears. Garlic's natural properties make it an effective and safe alternative to commercial antifungal treatments. Natural insect repellent. Garlic serves as a natural insect repellent, effectively deterring mosquitoes, ticks, and other pests. The strong sulfur compounds in garlic emit an odor that is unpleasant to insects, making it a safe and natural alternative to chemical repellents. Garlic can be applied to the skin, or its oil can be used in sprays to protect against bites. To use garlic as an insect repellent, crush fresh garlic and mix it with water or oil, then apply it to exposed skin or around your living spaces. This method offers effective protection while being gentle on the environment. Relieves toothache pain. Garlic is a highly effective natural remedy for relieving toothache pain, thanks to its potent antibacterial and analgesic properties. The compounds in garlic help fight the infection causing the toothache while also reducing inflammation and providing pain relief. Applying crushed garlic directly to the affected tooth or gum can offer quick and effective relief. For best results, crush a clove of garlic to release its juice and apply it to the painful area for a few minutes before rinsing. This method can help alleviate discomfort and combat the underlying cause of the pain. Fights bacterial infections. Garlic is a powerful natural remedy for fighting bacterial infections thanks to its potent antibacterial properties. The sulfur compounds in garlic, such as allicin, are effective against a wide range of bacteria, including those resistant to conventional antibiotics. Garlic works by inhibiting the growth and replication of bacteria, helping the body to overcome infections more effectively. To harness garlic's antibacterial benefits, consume it raw or take garlic supplements as directed. Regular intake can help combat bacterial infections, support the immune system, and reduce the severity and duration of illnesses. Improves skin health. Garlic is beneficial for improving skin health due to its antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, and antioxidant properties. The bioactive compounds in garlic help reduce acne, fight skin infections, and promote overall skin clarity by eliminating bacteria and reducing inflammation. Garlic also enhances collagen production, which supports skin elasticity and reduces the appearance of scars and blemishes. To improve skin health, incorporate garlic into your diet or apply it topically by mixing crushed garlic with honey or aloe vera to create a soothing mask. Regular use can lead to clearer, healthier, and more radiant skin. Reduces risk of blood clots. Garlic helps reduce the risk of blood clots, making it a valuable natural remedy for cardiovascular health. The compounds in garlic have antithrombotic properties which help prevent platelets from clumping together and forming clots. This action improves blood flow and reduces the risk of conditions such as deep vein thrombosis and stroke. Garlic also helps to lower blood pressure and cholesterol, further protecting against heart disease. To reduce the risk of blood clots, consume raw garlic regularly or take garlic supplements. Consistent intake can support healthy circulation and reduce the likelihood of clot-related complications. Alleviates sore throat. Garlic is an effective natural remedy for alleviating sore throat pain thanks to its antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. The active compounds in garlic help fight the infections that cause sore throats, while its soothing properties reduce inflammation and discomfort. Garlic can also help to boost the immune system, speeding up recovery. To use garlic for sore throat relief, crush a clove of garlic and mix it with warm water to create a gargle, or add it to tea with honey. Regular use can help soothe irritation, reduce pain, and promote faster healing. Clears nasal congestion. Garlic is a natural remedy for clearing nasal congestion thanks to its powerful decongestant and antimicrobial properties. The sulfur compounds in garlic help to open up the nasal passages, making it easier to breathe, while also fighting the infections that cause congestion. Garlic's anti-inflammatory effects can reduce swelling in the nasal passages, providing additional relief. To clear nasal congestion, crush fresh garlic and inhale its aroma, or add it to a steam inhalation with hot water. Consuming garlic in your diet can also help reduce congestion and support respiratory health. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.